afternoon, it's Michelle from Rybrook Jaguar in Chester. Today I am going to do a presentation on our F-Type S convertible in fire sand. It is up for sale. What I'll do is I'll start at the front, walk round the vehicle, up the side, round the back, and I'll get in the driver's side. So as you can see at the front here, you've got the visor and headlights with the Jaguar J-Blade LED daytime running lights. There's a black gloss air splitter, black gloss air intakes there, as well as the black gloss front grille. You've also got the black gloss bonnet louvers either side of that power bonnet bulge there. It's got these wonderful 19-inch propeller wheels, which I will get down and show you more closely. There it's also got the red brake calipers, which is standard on the S model. Gloss black side power vents. The deployable handles there, so when the vehicle is locked or moving, those will merge into the vehicle itself. Those are those strong rear haunches that make a Jaguar so distinctive. The folding top is all canvas, so it does tuck nicely into that boot and doesn't take up all of the boot, which is common in convertibles. Those are those distinctive rear lights there, which give a glorious nighttime signature with the roundels. It's got the centre dual exhaust, a reversing camera, take out where it says demonstrator there. As you can see, the boot is a good size for a true convertible sports car. Just pop that back in. The rear spoiler there comes up at 60 miles an hour, and goes down at 40 miles an hour. The roof itself can be put down up to 30 miles an hour, so if you do get caught out in those British showers, you don't have to pull over. Get in here. It's the charcoal leather there, the sports steering wheel, flappy paddle, so if you don't want an automatic gear shift, you can make it feel like you have more control with those flappy paddles. On the S as well, it's got the adaptive exhaust button here. What that does is it opens up that exhaust and gives it a real loud growl. This button here is to put the roof up and down, and this here is for the spoiler, so you can have it up under 40 miles an hour if you so desire. Now, let me try and start this car up. Here you can see it's done, oh, can you see? Well, it's done 3,529 miles, sorry. Start her up. And then if we open up the fans, it's dual climate, it's got a heated front windscreen, air conditioning of course. This is the quick shift gear change there. I'll pop it into reverse so you can see that reversing camera. There you go. This also has, of course, the sat-nav and Bluetooth preparation. I'll now, starting to drive off. So as you can see there, this is the touch screen where you can control your DAB radio, your phone connectivity and your sat-nav. It's also got an auto speed limiter, so there's no excuse for those speeding tickets. Let me pop this roof down. Show you how quick this mechanism is. And that's it. Bat wings go down and that beep indicates it's done. Now if I turn it off, and I'll turn it back on again, and hopefully you'll be able to hear that Jaguar noise. I'll give it some revs. And then I'll just turn the engine back off and let you have a look at the vehicle with the roof down. Now that the sun has decided to come out here in Britain, it's definitely a good excuse to go out and treat yourself to one of these magnificent vehicles. It's got the adaptive dynamics on this vehicle, which means that the sorry, I've got a bit. It means that the suspension and everything is checked over 500 times a second. It really is a clever piece of kit. There we are. So if you would like us to answer any more questions, then please do give us a call on 01244 393939. Thank you.